this video, you will learn how to get the voice of FarFromWeak or any other voice you can imagine. I will explain the following process to you step by step. Step 1. Search for YouTube videos. Search for YouTube videos that contain the voice you want to clone. These YouTube videos must meet the following conditions. First of all, it must only contain the voice you want to clone. No other voices. The second condition is that the video has to be shorter than 10 minutes. And finally, there must be no sound effects such as reverb or delay. Copy the links of the YouTube videos and save them for later.
Step 2. Clean the audio. If you want to clone any voice, you need to create your own sound model using AI. The following principle always applies.
In terms of quality, you get out what you put in.
Check the following video out if you want. Link is in the description. So if the YouTube videos contain any form of background sounds or music, you need to clean them first. Go on kits.ai and vocal remover. Enter the YouTube URL, enable remove instrumental, remove backing vocals, and remove reverb. Go on split vocals. Now there will be 4 different files. You only need the first of these called vocals. Step 3. Train your voice. Now it's time for training your voice model. To get optimal results, we need 30 minutes of cleaned audio. Go on voices, train a voice, continue, and then upload your 30 minutes of cleaned audio. Select speaking and name the model FarFromWeak for clarity. You can also add a picture if you want. Then you need to wait for the training process to finish. This might take a few hours. Step 4. Getting the input. To get the output, you need to get an input first. To achieve this, we need to go on Use Voice and then upload the audio file. So basically, we have a text-to-speech model here, not a speech-to-speech model. In the following, I will briefly explain what you need to know about it. In the first variant, a text is used as input. In the second variant, you have to record your own voice and feed it into the AI language model. However, both methods have their downside. If only text is used as input, the voice sounds quite monotonous because you cannot create the desired accents in the flow of speech. For example, you cannot create the
Pathetic
of FarFromWeak with this method. On the other hand, if you use your own voice, the result often doesn't sound nice either. If you have bad pronunciation, the mistakes will be picked up by the artificial intelligence. The same thing happens with a poor intonation of your own voice. In short, this method only makes sense if you have a really good voice. But there's a solution for this problem. We just combine the 2 methods. Go to 11 Labs and sign in with an email address for free. Select the voice called Brian and type in the text you want to generate. Choose the model 11 English V1 for getting the best quality possible. Now you can download the audio file. You have 5,000 character per email. Emphasize on the per email part. You get what I mean. Let's bring the file back to kits.ai and listen together to the results. Put the pitch level at -2, conversion strength and volume blend both at 0%, and then press convert.
As you can hear, the result doesn't sound exactly like FarFromWeak, and the next step will fix this issue.
Step 5. Improving the quality. Here you can see the process diagram to get a higher quality. Go to weights.gg and search for Kratos. Select the one called Kratos God of War Christopher Judge and download it. Upload the file to kits.ai and name it Kratos for clarity. Now bring the audio file to the Kratos model and use the settings from above.
Here you have Kratos' voice, which is much more suitable as input than 11 Labs' original voice.
To get the best quality possible, clean the voice as mentioned above. It's finally time to get the result. Bring the file back to the trained FarFromWeak model and put the pitch level at -4 this time. This time, the output sound exactly like FarFromWeak. Good luck with cloning your own AI voice. If you want to try it on your own, I have crafted an instruction with more details which you can find in the video description. In the next video, I'll reveal a top secret about AI nobody has shown before on the internet. There I will also show a development that will take place through AI in the next 3 years.